Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to turn this into this. But before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So first things first, I'm going to clear everything off my desk. Then spray a little bit of mixture of water and soap to make it easier for me to reposition the vinyl. Here I use Decorgraff Self-Adhesive Digital Printable Vinyl. I created the design on my favorite design software and print on EcoSolvent printer. Don't worry, because if you don't have EcoSolvent printer, it can also work on latex, laser toner printer, and UV printer. Now just remove the corner of the backing paper to expose the vinyl and apply it on the surface of the table. Just press down on the film, and if you have air bubble in the vinyl, just simply push the bubble to the edge if you have a squeegee, or just pull it back and simply reapply. Decorgraff Self-Adhesive Printable Vinyl can be easily wiped clean using a cloth. Remove the excess material using a roll cutter, scissors, utility knife, and you're done. That's all for today, and I hope this video shows you how easy it is to renovate your table or your furnitures. Decorgraff Self-Adhesive Printable Vinyl is available in rolls, so you can start selling printable vinyl and start your own business. For more information, visit our website at www.decorgraff.com.